Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today we will make engine coolant, which is anti-freeze and anti-rust. We will make engine coolant of high quality. Do you know what is engine coolant? It is a kind of liquid which we pour in the vehicle, which helps the vehicle in controlling the temperature. Due to it, the vehicle doesn't get too hot or too cold because it increases the boiling point and the freezing point. You can understand like this: if the climate is too hot or somebody is living in a very hot climate, the vehicle also become very hot and it stops working. But if you are using coolant, this will not happen because it increases the boiling point. Likewise, if the climate is very cold or somebody is living in a very cold climate, the vehicle stops working. So, if you are using coolant, then it will not happen because it increases the freezing point. The price of coolant in the market is very high. So today we will make coolant of high quality but in a low cost. Friends, today I will show you the full practical video of making engine coolant. But friends, please don't skip the video in between. After completing the video, I will tell you the quantity of raw materials. So friends, please watch my full video. So friends, let's start. For that, I have taken an empty vessel. In that, I am pouring distilled water. Don't take any other water. Now, I am adding monoethanol amine. Now, I am adding ethylene glycol. After adding ethylene glycol, mix it properly. Now, I am adding color in it. You can add any color: pink, green, blue. See, anti-rust, anti-freeze engine coolant is ready. Did you like my video? And did you find it easy making engine coolant? Yes, it is very easy. It's only a mixing process. Simply mix it and it's ready. No machine is required for it. It's too costly in the market. You can save money and use it, and you can give it to your friends also. And you can make in any color of your choice: blue, green, pink, yellow, orange, because it is available in many colors in the market. In olden days, coolants were available, but the quality of coolant were very inferior. So it was necessary to change the coolant very frequently. Nowadays, the quality of engine coolant are of very high quality and doesn't need replacement frequently. Now, I will tell you the answers of the questions which usually the users ask. The first question is, what happens when the coolant is low? The answer is, when coolant is low, your engine will start to heat up. The engine will stop. Once the engine cool down, you will be able to drive your car again. The second question, can you use water instead of coolant? The answer is no, because water by itself can't do this job of antifreeze due to its lack of boiling point and freezing point range. The range of temperature of coolant is very wide because the boiling point of coolant is very high and the freezing point is also very high. So you can use water only for an emergency purpose. Friends, there are many more questions, but I will not take all these questions because my video will become too lengthy. So I am leaving more questions. If you want, you can write down in the comment box. I will make another video for questions and answers. Now friends, I am telling you the quantity of raw materials which I used in making engine coolant. Please note it down. For making 1 liter engine coolant, take 85 ml water. Take distilled water. Don't take tap water or any other water. Monoethanol amine 15 ml. Ethylene glycol 900 ml. Color 1 pinch. You can increase or decrease the quantity of color according to your choice. Friends, I hope you like my video, and if you do, please click the like button and please share my video with all your friends and relatives. Friends, if you are new to my channel and you watched my video first time, then please click the subscribe button. After clicking the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press that bell icon. After pressing bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen, all written on the top. Please press the all button. It is very important to press the all button. By clicking all button, you will receive notifications whenever I make a new video. So it is very important to click the all button if you want to watch more videos of my channel. So friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.